Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2022 XC fluid mechanics paper. Question number 38 is for an invisible fluid with density 1 kilogram per meter cube, the Cartesian velocity field is given as u is equal to minus 2x plus y bracket close ti plus 2x plus y bracket close t j meter per second. Neglecting the body forces, find the magnitude of pressure gradient in Pascal per meter at x y is equal to 1 meter and 1 meter and t is equal to 1 second. Round off to two decimal places. Okay. So u is given as minus 2x bracket minus 2x plus y bracket close t I and plus 2x plus y t j. Okay. So according to Navier-Stokes equation, in x, the pressure gradient in x direction, if we consider x direction, this is your rho into a. This is acceleration, convective plus local. This is local acceleration. This is convective acceleration. Is equal to minus p by rho x. If we neglect inertia viscous forces, so then the Navier-Stokes equation becomes rho into a is equal to minus curly rho by curly x, because we are taking curly because it is we are taking in only in x direction. Okay. So finding out this value, so this is rho, this value is curly by curly is minus 2x plus y, differentiation will be minus 2x plus y, and u is again this minus 2x plus y into t, and this is your minus 2. Okay, and this is your okay, so this quantity is this value. Okay, and b is 2x plus y into t, and curly u by curly y is 1. Okay, and this quantity is 0 because there is no z component. Okay, now we have to find out the pressure gradient at x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1. So putting the value of x1, y1 and t1, we get curly v by curly x is equal to minus 4. Similarly, in y direction, this is the acceleration in y direction, and it is equal to curly v by curly t. So this will differentiation will be 2x plus y, 2x plus y, and this is u, this is u. Okay, and this is u, and curly v by curly x is 2t. Curly v by curly x is 2t, it should be t. Okay, and because t is 1 doesn't matter, and this quantity is 0, and this value is sorry, v is your 2x plus y t, and curly v by curly y is 1 t. Okay, so t is 1, so we have already put t is equal to 1. So now at x equal to 1, y equal to 1, we have curly p by curly y equal to minus 4. So the pressure gradient is curly p by curly x square plus curly p by curly y square. So 4 square plus 4 square, or this is 30 or 5.65. Okay, so answer is 5.65. Next, consider a lawn sprinkler with horizontal arms of radius a is equal to 10 centimeter, which has water introduced vertically through the center, as shown in the figure. The exit area of the jet is 25 centimeter square, and the jet velocity is 1 meter per second. The water is ejected orthogonal to the sprinkler arm, and the jet makes an angle 60 degree with the horizontal plane. Find the torque in Newton meter required to hold the sprinkler stationary. Consider water density 1000 kilogram per meter square per meter cube. Neglect the effect of friction and gravity, round up to two decimal places. Okay, so this is your sprinkler, this is front view, this is your side view. here the velocity is v and this is okay. So the component of so this velocity has two components. One is along horizontal direction and other is along vertical direction. Along horizontal direction is v cos 60 and along vertical direction v sin 60, and here it is in the positive acceleration and vertical component will be v. So it is the horizontal component which will cause torque. Okay, so v cos 60 and v cos 60 will cause torque, and the mass flow rate is rho av, and area is 25 by sorry area is given as 25 centimeter square. So converting it into meter square. So rho av is your 1. So mass flow rate is this. Okay, this is your mass flow rate, and force is m dot into v cos 60, because this is mass per second, and if we multiply it by velocity then it will become short, and we are concerned with this force only. Okay, because this will cause rotation. So m dot v cos 60 will be the force here and force here, which will cause rotation of this. Okay, so the which will cause torque. So F into 2a will be the torque, and a is your 1, so 2a is your 2, a is your 10 centimeter. So F is this is your m, this is your 2a, okay, and this is your F. Okay. This is your F multiplied by 2a, so it is 0.25 Newton meter. So answer is 0.25 Newton meter.